Hi, this is Jim at the vacuum store, and today we're going to show you that we're selling a replacement power head for the Rainbow vacuum. This will fit the Rainbow D4s and the D3 models, so we're going to do a video of our new power head. Now this power head here on the machine is a metal roller brush on the machine. The replaceable brush strips has a built-in circuit breaker, and it also has a light. Okay, on Rainbow power brushes, here's a Rainbow one. You got plastic roller brush, no light. So this is actually a good improvement for the machine. But anyways, this is like a D4 model, and I'll list the models that this power head can fit. Now, if you have any questions about which model you have, how you see which model is, you open up the top here. I'm going to get my bionic glasses out here. And inside the top here is always a model number. It's engraved in the plastic where my finger is. So I'll list the models this power head will fit, and this is where you find it. It's engraved in the plastic here. So this particular machine here is a D4 model, and this is the D4 power head. Now this Rainbow power head will also fit ours, so you can take off like this. Now on the D4 model, it's a little bit harder to put in. If you don't mind that, push in the hook like that and push it all the way down until it snaps. When you hear it snaps, you're all set. And from here, you're just going to pull your cord up just like you did on your old Rainbow. I'm not going to do it all the way up. And then from here, you'll have your cord clip here. You'll just plug it in just like normal. So you don't have to do anything different about this power head. And then you'll just plug it in here just like that. And then you turn it naturally on and off. Now if you have a switch up here, make sure you turn the switch on. And this will turn the power head on. If you don't have a switch, you don't got to worry about it. But also you have to remember that if you pull the switch down and the roller isn't spinning, you have a button right here. And what this is for is for, like, if you're going on hardwood floors, that way the roller won't spin and spit the dirt all over. But make sure you have the button on here. So you got two buttons now. So this is a good button to have. So this is the D4 model. And now I just want to show people what you do is you push the button in, and you kind of wiggle it a little bit, and you pull it out like that. Now, here's a D3 Rainbow. So now, same thing. We can go right to our D3 Rainbows. Press the button like this here. Insert it just like this. Let it snap. And then you'll have a wire that comes right up like this. And then from here, you'll just plug in just like that. So this Rainbow power head will fit several different machines. If you notice, it'll fit this power nozzle here, and it will also fit these power nozzles. So I'll put a list in the description of the model numbers. I already showed you where to get the model number. And if you have any questions, email me. And that's it.